It seems like every single day there's a new AI headline. Ever feel like you're trying to keep up but just falling behind? Well, today we're going to cut through all that noise. I'm going to show you some truly incredible and completely free AI tools that you can start using right now to make your life a whole lot more creative and productive. I mean, let's be honest, it's easy to feel totally lost in this constant storm of AI news, right? A new app, a new breakthrough, it's a lot. It can be kind of exhausting just trying to keep track of it all. If you're feeling that way, trust me, you are not alone. The real problem isn't that there's a lack of AI tools. It's kind of the opposite. There are so many out there. The biggest challenge is just figuring out which ones are actually useful and where on earth you should even begin. So, to make that easy, we're going to focus on the most important number of all, 0. That's right. Every single tool we're about to talk about costs exactly $0 to get started with. There's no paywall, no financial barrier, just pure potential waiting for you. All right, first up, let's talk about unlocking your creativity. We're going to see how AI can really become your new creative partner. Not something that replaces your imagination, but something that works with it. Ugh, we've all been there, haven't we? Just staring at a blank page, that little cursor just blinking and blinking, and you have absolutely no idea what to write next. It is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. Well, say hello to your new brainstorming partner, the AI writing assistant. Think of tools like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. You can give them just a simple idea, a simple prompt, and they can instantly draft outlines for you, rewrite clunky sentences, or just spitball a dozen different ideas to get you unstuck. And getting started is just so simple. Seriously. Step 1, you just write a basic question or prompt. Step 2, you watch as it generates a flood of ideas in like seconds. And then step 3, and this is the most important part, you refine it, you edit it. You are always the one in charge, making that content truly yours. Okay, so that takes care of words. But what about visuals? What if you need a really cool custom logo or a unique image for a social media post, but, you can't draw a stick figure to save your life? This is where things get really magical. AI image generators. We're talking about tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 3. You literally just describe the image you want using plain old text, and the AI creates a completely original picture for you, right from scratch. It's amazing. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? Imagine it, describe it, and watch AI create it for you. Your imagination is really the only limit here. You can ask for a photorealistic image of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, and poof, there it is. So just to do a quick recap on the creative side, we've got 2 main types of tools to get you started. One for your words, your writing assistants, to help with brainstorming and drafting. And one for your visuals, image generators, to help you create stunning graphics. No art degree required. All right, now let's switch gears and talk about boosting your productivity. Because beyond all the cool creative stuff, AI is an absolute game changer for just getting more done and reclaiming your most precious resource, your time. Here's a problem I'm pretty sure we all have. Your inbox is overflowing with long articles, you've got reports you need to read, endless documents to get through. It feels impossible to actually keep up with all that information. Well, the solution is an AI summarizer. With a tool like Notebook LM, for example, you can just feed it a super long article, a dense research paper, heck, even a link to a video, and it will instantly pull out the most important points into a neat, easy-to-read, bulleted list. And look at this chart. It really puts it into perspective. The sheer scale of time you save is just incredible. Something that could have taken you hours of careful reading can now be understood in just a few minutes. That's not a small improvement. It's a completely different way to work. Okay, let's talk about another massive headache. You've got notes all over the place, different apps, random documents, you've got spreadsheets full of data. Trying to find that one thing you need feels like searching for a needle in a haystack, right? So an AI organizer basically acts like a brilliant personal assistant for all your digital stuff. Some of the newer note-taking apps with AI built in can automatically read all your information, tag it with the right keywords, and even find hidden connections and themes. It literally creates order out of chaos. And this table just lays out the difference so clearly. Look at this. Before, finding a key fact meant searching and scrolling forever. Now, it's instant. Before, spotting trends meant hours of analysis. Now, the AI just groups things together for you. It turns these boring, tedious tasks into something that just happens. So, we've covered creativity, we've covered productivity. Now let's pull it all together and talk about your new AI toolkit and what all of this really means for you. You know, if there's one big thing to take away from all this, it's this. The kind of powerful AI that used to only be for huge tech companies and fancy research labs, it's now available to every single one of us. It's right there at your fingertips, just waiting for you to use it. So here's what I want you to remember. You can start for free right now, today. You can use these tools to solve real, everyday problems like writer's block or information overload. And just think of AI as your personal assistant. The absolute best way to learn this stuff is just to jump in and start playing around with it. And I really want to end on this idea. This is not about technology coming in and taking over. Not at all. It's about using technology as a lever to make you better. AI is a tool designed to amplify the skills you already have, to make you an even better writer, a more efficient researcher, and a more creative thinker. So, I'll leave you with this one question to think about. When you look at your own life, the creative roadblocks, the productivity bottlenecks, which problem are you going to solve first with your new AI assistant? Because trust me, the possibilities are just getting started.